So we have already seen Shringi Rishi temple at Sringverpur next to Prayagraj. But this is the main temple because he basically belonged to Ayodhya. And this is his temple, or what we can say is original temple. That also is a temple, but this is the main temple. And it is located on the banks of the river at a place called Manja. Now, his role in Ramayan is that he was the one who conducted the yajna, because Dashrath Raja was born childless. Not born, he was childless, and he did this yajna, after which he was blessed with 4 children. Now, he married Shringi Rishi married Dashrath's sister, that is Shanta. So next to this temple, there is the temple of Shantama. So Shantama is supposed to be the sister of King Dashrath. And it is believed that these two places house the tomb of these two people. So on to your right is Shringi Rishi's tomb, and on to your left is Shantama, what they call in the local language tomb. And this again place is very, very beautiful. It is typical countryside of UP, and UP is a cow country, so you have all the cows grazing over here in the open. And this again, friends, is the most fertile land that you can ever get in India, because the river which flows, it comes from the Himalayas, and every year it deposits fresh silt from the mountains. And this is eaten by the buffalo. This silt is consumed by the grass which grows here, and which is consumed by the buffaloes. And this is the buffalo's milk which nourishes us. So for health reason wise, yes, this is the best country what you can ever have. So there you can see all across the river bed, and in the distance also you'll find the buffaloes bathing in the open river. So this place has got a beautiful view. There is a river flowing. I can't see any boats, so you might not get a boat ride, but I think that thing is more than sufficient. Now, it is a outcast sky. I can see the small droplets of water falling, and GoPro is not exactly waterproof with the media mod. Now, there are these two interesting structures over here, and there are similar structures little ahead also. So these might be some kind of halting place for the pilgrims. Let me take you across over there. So it stopped raining a bit so that I can do some more video shooting. So yeah, those are the trees which you can see in the distance. Let me get a bit closer. In the meanwhile, you can enjoy the view of these bathing buffaloes. As these are also called water buffaloes. So why they are named? Because they are very fond of water. So it's a perfect joy for them to play in these waters. So these trees which you see over here, and then again you will see 4 of these sheds, and all these trees have been the tree trunks have been covered with some red cloth, which are religious articles. So this place is marked on Google Maps as the 3rd stop of 84 Kosi Parikrama. So this place forms part of the Parikrama route. I will explain about this in the blog article, which I'll put the link below the YouTube video. And yes, this is the view. These are the cow producing buffaloes which are which form a part of the food chain, which brings milk to your table every day. And this is the view of the temple. Like you can see from outside, it is a quite large temple from inside. It is a kind of underground. You have to walk down below, so must be made that way so that it houses a tomb. And these steps are also recently done up, which you can see. But again, a great effort by the government to get this place renovated. And you can see some solar lamps also over here. And also remember, this place has a lot of other temples. Like I could count around 10-15 temples. And yes, people do come to this place to enjoy the scenic beauty, but most important, to pray over here in this temple. So this place is marked as Shringi Rishi ashram. So that means this must be his permanent place of stay. There is a small parking space over either side of the road, and this place is dotted with numerous temples, almost of each deity. A temple of each deity is found over here. This is the staircase leading to the two temples on either side. The one on the left is Shringi Rishi, and the one on the right is Shanta Ma, who is the wife of Shringi Rishi and also the sister of King Dashrath. And as you further go down the stairs, you will come across the staircase and the riverfront.